My name is Ana Maria Bazan. I'm an attorney who specializes in immigration law. In this video, we will be discussing how to obtain a green card based on marriage, how the process works, and if you really need to hire an attorney to work on this case. First of all, you need to understand that you need to take this process seriously. You can't take it lightly. Why? Because USCIS begins with the premise that every case is fraud, and it's your job to prove to them that you are in a legitimate marriage. You need to complete all of the correct paperwork. You need to know what you're doing. You need to complete the I-130, the I-485, the I-64, and so forth, with all the necessary documents evidencing the legitimacy of the marriage. Now, you can watch our next video on how to prepare for an interview, because once you're done with all the paperwork and you submit it, you do need to prepare for an interview with USCIS. Now, how do you prove legitimacy of marriage? You need bills in both your names, you need bank account, you need credit cards, you need all kinds of insurances, health, medical, life insurance, all of that, and lots of pictures. And why do you need an attorney for this process? You can complete paperwork, you may be an educated person, you can read English, but you really need an attorney because if you make a mistake, it can cause delays, it can cause a denial, but most importantly, it can cause you to be in removal proceedings. And then it's gonna be more costly, it's gonna be much more stressful for you and scary. So it is better to hire an immigration attorney who does this every day, who has the knowledge and experience. I had this client once that made a mistake on his naturalization case. And it turned out they put him in removal because he put the incorrect date on the application, and immigration was suspecting that it was his first marriage was fraud, how he obtained a green card. And so they put him in proceedings because they said at the time that you got divorced and it was based on abandonment, it doesn't coincide with the time that you had to have been together as husband and wife and proving the legitimacy of the marriage. So it cost him a lot of money. We had to bring the prior spouse to document that it was a legitimate marriage, and it was just very stressful for them. To avoid this stress, hire an attorney that you feel comfortable with, that you trust. Watch our next videos on how to prepare for an interview and other information that's very important. Thank you for watching.